What is a full stack web developer? A full stack developer is someone who works with the back end, that's your server side of the application, as well as a front end or client side. And full stack developers have to have some skills in a wide variety of coding niches, from databases to graphic design and UI UX management, in order to do their job. You need to identify the skills you need to know. You need to identify the skills you need to learn. Every full stack developer, the basic skills for every full stack developer: front end technology, development languages, database, and the basic design ability, server, and working with API and version control systems. A Java full stack developer can build a whole Java application, including front end, back end, databases, APIs, server, and version control. The demand for full stack developers is high because they are a valuable asset to any company. Their wide ranging knowledge allows them to be flexible, adaptable, and agile, which are essential skills for working on software products both in the startup world and elsewhere. The year 2021 is considered as the best time to build your career as a full stack developer, as companies are looking to hire professionals who have the knowledge of all the layers of an application and can take full leadership of a project. As a full stack developer, you must have both technical as well as soft skills. The client software, the front end, the basics you must know as your HTML and CSS and JavaScript. HTML website structure, CSS website styling, and JavaScript is for website functionality. So Bootstrap, Sass, React.js, Angular. There are many JavaScript libraries, frameworks, and we have various CSS libraries and frameworks and preprocessors. You need to identify the best one while working with the project. The server software, your back end, and the programming languages: PHP, Ruby, Go, Java, Python, C++, and C#. So web application frameworks, you need Express.js, ASP, and Ruby on Rails, and etc. And runtime environments, Node with JS and Deno. Various databases like MySQL, Oracle, MongoDB, and etc. Various popular stacks. Mean.java has been the most popular platform in the tech development industry for the last 2 decades, and Mean is a true representative of Java. The topmost important thing about Mean is that this stack completely revolves around Java, and all 4 components speak JavaScript object notations, JSON. MERN stack MERN stands for MongoDB, Express, React, Node. If you have to create a website like a blog application or an e-commerce app, fast Django should be your choice. But if you are not hurried and want to create a big application, then MERN should be your choice, both slow and complicated. MEVN, MongoDB, Express.js, Vue.js and Node.js. MEVN stack is the open source JavaScript software stack that has emerged as a new and evolving way to build powerful and dynamic web applications. It is used to run JavaScript on a machine rather than in a browser. LEMP is an open source web application stack used to develop web applications. L, a Linux operating system. N, Nginx. E, NGINX, which is pronounced as Nginx, so E is an acronym. M for MySQL database and P for PHP scripting language. LAMP, Linux, Apache, MySQL and PHP are Perl or Python. The most common solution stacks for many of the web most popular applications. Django stack is a high-level Python web framework that encourages rapid development and clean, pragmatic design. Django is a great web application framework with support for advanced technologies like machine learning.